Okay, this is John. I just wanted to show you guys what's going on with the Jeep. First, I'm going to try starting it with the remote battery, which was working for a while, even though I couldn't start the car while sitting in there. Anyway, I'll start this right here. Give that a double shot right there. And now I'm not even getting that. Just getting one honk instead of the two, and then the turnover. Let's see what happens when I go in now. I go in, boom, 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 put on the brake. And that's what I get. It wants to, but it won't, and the battery is definitely, I'm surprised there's anything left in it. But give it another shot from outside, but I think you guys get the gist of what's not happening here. Alright, I gotta shut that off. And we'll give this one more here with the remote and see if anything happens. Got the double honk. But things stuck. Going nowhere.